guys, today I'm showing you how to make Kesar Pista Kulfi at home. दोस्तों इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज चेक कीजिए. The taste of pista and flavor of saffron just makes it royal. This is one classic recipe which will be loved by all age groups. Now let's see what are the ingredients we need to do this recipe. This is 1 liter of milk, 2 tablespoons of chopped pista, 1/3 cup sugar. This is half teaspoon cardamom powder. This is 10 strands of saffron. I have soaked it in milk for 30 minutes. So now let's get started and check out the recipe.